Mark my words, then prithee, translate them. 10 frequently encountered words found in Shakespeare. Oft encountered words. Anon, adverb, soon, shortly, presently. I will speak with you further anon. Translation: I will speak with you further shortly. Oft encountered words. Ought, noun, anything. Though you respect not aught, your servant doth. Translation: though you respect nothing, your servant does. Often counted words. Base, adjective. Dishonorable, low, or unworthy. Basest theft is that which cannot cloak itself on poverty. Translation: the lowest type of theft is that which cannot be blamed on poverty. Hie. It's a verb meaning go quickly or to hurry. Hie you home to dinner. Translation: hurry home for dinner. Mark. It's a verb, means pay attention to, take notice of. Marked you his lips and eyes? Translation: did you notice his lips and eyes? Meet. It's an adjective. Suitable, proper, right. It is most meet we arm us against the foe. Translation: it is right for us to arm ourselves against our enemy. Marry. Indeed. Marry, sir, I am helping you. Translation: indeed, sir, I am helping you. Prithee. Please or I ask you. Short for I pray thee. I prithee, lady, have a better cheer. Translation: please, lady, cheer up. Want. It's a verb. Be accustomed. Likely to. I have not from your eyes that gentleness and show of love as I was wont to have. Translation: I don't see that gentleness and love in your eyes that I am accustomed to. What? A verb, means learn, know, be told. We English warriors wot not what it means. Translation: we English warriors don't know what that means. This is your Elizabethan language glossary. You have a shared copy that you will use to fill out your Shakespeare translation practice. Good luck.